Welcome to Go Lesson 7, Control Flow with Switch. Switch statements provide clean multi-way branching. We will cover basic switch, expressionless switch, and type switches. Let us start with a basic switch statement. We switch on the day variable and match against cases. Each case can have its own code block. Default handles unmatched values. You can have multiple values in one case, separated by commas. Wednesday matches midweek in the first switch and weekday in the second. Switch can be used without an expression, like an if-else chain. Each case contains a Boolean condition. The first true condition executes. This is great for ranges. Here we use it for time of day greetings. Score 85 gets a B, and hour 14 shows good afternoon. By default, Go switch does not fall through to the next case. Without fall through, only the matching case runs. The fallthrough keyword forces execution to continue to the next case. Without fallthrough, we see just 2. With fallthrough, we see 2 and 3. Type switches check the type of an interface value. We use the special syntax i.type in parentheses. Each case matches a specific type. The variable v has that type inside. We call the function with different types to see the output. Each value is correctly identified by its type. Let us recap what we learned. Switch provides clean multi-way branching. No break needed in Go. Use Expressionless Switch for ranges. Type switch for interface types. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we will explore loops with for. Like and subscribe to continue your Go journey.